So magandang hapon kayo mga kapadyam. Nandito lang kami, nag-stop over lang kasi nga yung alaga namin kailangan umihi ba. So yan, sita ho. So pasyal lang. Pasyal mo lang yan. Ako ka mon. So once again mga kapadyam, nandito lang kami nag-enjoy kasi 4th of July ngayon. So home of the brave. I love this. Okay? So until for the next video, and usually it's gonna be like surroundings like this, give yourself some relaxation through God's blessing, through God's creation. So it's all the same thing. Kung naman na-enjoy namin, na-enjoy nyo rin. So we have the same, right? So let's enjoy, and thank you from God above. Thank you.